So there are some limitations of this study, and a lot of people that know more than I do that talk about it, but I wanted to sort of make it simple. Remember, any type of input we get can cause problems and turn on the immune system. So it looks like in this study that this viral intervention changed the immune system. The conclusions that they made, the take-home points, were they noted that this the viral intervention, it caused shifts in the immune system of those that developed this syndrome. Specifically, it decreased the CD4 cells, and it changed the way the immune system was working. Remember, the immune system is very complicated, and the people of this study did all sorts of analysis on antibodies and different things. And what they noticed is that the people that had the syndrome, including those that had the viral intervention, many of them had changes in their immune system, specifically the CD4 cells. Another thing that they noticed, that they had the group that became sick, they had increased levels of the S protein after the viral intervention. And they both had that in the group that had no virus, and also those that did have the virus. So that makes sense, because any type of foreign input is going to change our immune system to some degree. Another thing that they noticed in those people that got the viral intervention, that it was still in the blood up to 700 days after they got the viral intervention. There were some limitations in this study, but one of the pros of it is that Iwasaki's group, they have this listen group where they're studying a lot of these types of people, the people that have had adverse reactions to some of these interventions. So they followed many of them, and they had the greatest medical technology in looking at the immune system that we have. But we noticed in this study, there also was 28 different authors that put their names on the study. That's good. However, this study did have a small study size. It was not peer-reviewed. And here, I think, is one key point. The people that got sick, those ones that had the they had the viral intervention, but no disease, and then they had this syndrome, they still had evidences of this S protein in their blood. What they did not do originally is they didn't evaluate their genetics at baseline to see if there was something that would predispose these genes to have adverse response when it was related to this stressor.